Squad.
That's right.
17 nigga.
BBA.
Dump. J-Hat. Goo-Wop. Free my little brother Peso. Y'all don't say it enough.
Hey, Wood.
Bad news, nigga.
Bando. Bando.
Yeah.
Shine.
School of Hard Knocks is the only education. Downtown bad news, that's a whole nother nation. Niggas popping pistols like a fucking celebration. Seen a lot of niggas die, I should be on medication. Blowing on the best, got the loud from Jamaica, getting boat boy drunk. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Drop 20 on my wrist. Yeah, I got a little paper, I ain't slipping. Better nigga won't take my
Yo, what's good, nigga? This Wayne.
Wayne who?
Y'all already know, nigga. Wayne, nigga.
What the fuck you calling my phone for, nigga?
Hey, check this out, man. Be cool, man. Hey, look. Hey, look. Be cool, nigga. Check this out. I got something for you, though. I I need to squash that beef with you. I got something for you. You shut the fuck up and listen, man. I got something for you, man. I know I did that fucked up shit, you heard me? But, I'm trying to squash that shit. I'm trying to put you on, my nigga. You know what I mean? I just felt like you did me wrong, bro. You know I've been down, been gone. You off? Hold on, let me finish talking, nigga. You should have gave me more. You should have gave me that shit. Let me get back with you. You want to charge me? But look, check this out. I'm trying to squash all that shit right now, nigga. You bring me 20,000 of that motherfucking bread back. I'm about to put you on to hella licks. I'm about to bring you on to my team, my nigga. Let you fuck with everybody. Hey, look. Hey, look, you know I fuck with Official and Sleazy and them niggas, man. You already know how we move. I fuck with Official, I fuck with Sleazy and them niggas. Chop, you know how we move, nigga, for what it's worth. And you know we winning out here, so bring me 20,000 of them bread back. And I'm about to put you on tour. I'm already in Bellwood, Riverwalk. Where you at? Man, I'm out here on Tyler. Nigga, pull up on me right now. Yup.
Stop playing, man. How the fuck you get the code, man?
Shit, man.
So you made shit real, man. You can't be playing like that, boy.
I'm running shit in here. I'm like, shit. I know I left this motherfucker silent.
If I would've busted in your ass, you'd have been mad.
Yo, this is my ace right here. This
That's
Bruce
my
right
motherfucking
here.
nigga.
Oh, you know Bruce?
Fuck yeah, nigga, I walked the yard with this man. Oh, that's an SO. What's good, bro? Hey, you want into this motherfucking fool like?
Shit, it's on the way. God, you know. Shit, hit the door.
Spread it out the way. I got your share for you, boy. I had to give your ass shit. I heard how you fucked that shit up.
Shit, let's say I had a situation out here.
Yeah, it's really his situation. I'm just about to clean this shit up, my nigga. Like I always fucking do.
I got some cleaning power right here.
Yeah, I definitely need something big, man, cause this nigga got in with some niggas that's over his head. As a matter of fact, you need to take that bread right there and pay that nigga you owe. We wouldn't even have to, goddammit. We cop that shit like this. Cause Maul ain't no motherfucking sucker, my nigga, real talk. Oh yeah. 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 It's beautiful, bro. Make sure I keep this shit far away from his ass.
Why it's got to be all about keep the shit away from me and everybody thinking Chuck on some shit?
Cause homie, every time I involve you in some shit, man, you get fucked up. Nigga, you ain't had to explain shit to Shorty, my nigga. She was hot as a bitch about that shit, bro.
Yo, on none of that shit the way she said it was. Motherfuckers went upstairs like they was in order. It wasn't no two niggas upstairs. It wasn't no two niggas downstairs. One nigga
Man, it
downstairs.
ain't matter, my nigga. It was 3 of y'all upstairs from what I heard.
It was 3 motherfuckers upstairs. And there was one downstairs. That wasn't the original plan.
Now we gonna chop it up about that later.
And they got dogs in there. Come on, man. Like, it's not even one of them, what would you do? Because I wouldn't even ask you that shit. You know what I'm saying? It's more like, I'ma do what the fuck I had to do. Dogs.
What I owe you, Goose?
It's for a favor, man. Motherfucking dogs, man.
Hey, that's love, my nigga.
Yeah.
Respect, bro. Hey, I owe you one. Man, so, man, you don't hear about these fuck ass niggas, man. I'm gonna clean this nigga mess up for the last time.
Gotta go have some drinks with the plug right quick.
Word?
Yeah, get the interact with this nigga so the nigga slide down south, we'll have something down there to go to, you feel me?
That's what's up, man.
And bring shit back, so just let me get in deep run right quick.
We about to start franchising the whole 7-5, so
Yeah. That's what's up.
we're gonna link, man.
That's what's up.
Be safe, bro.
On D. Alright. No.
And then nigga lock. So. You say everything, man. Yo. Hey, look, I ain't got to know. I ain't got to know you good. A whole lot of people got to take it. What y'all want to do, man? You want to get bread, not me? Fuck you.
It's all about the
got
money,
shit
man.
on. You got
Yeah,
all
bread,
about the
bread.
fuck you want to do? What type of proposition
bread.
you got for
Let's
the
go.
money?
Look, man, you already know who I'm fucking with. You know I fuck with the first chop, sleeve.
Yeah, I heard
Winning
about
right now. Y'all
man.
niggas know we winning, man. Look, we finna slide over here to Portsmouth, man. We got a lot of work over there in Portsmouth, a lot of money to be made, man. So I'm trying to see, look, give me 20,000 of that bread back. Come join the team, nigga. You
20,000
won't.
give us.
What you mean with 20,000? I'm giving you get my
500
20.
bands.
Get my motherfucking 20 back, nigga. When you own, you gonna be some money. You got a team, ain't no more of this. One
up,
man,
cuz?
one band shit, y'all on.
You
What's
fuck
up?
with this nigga
You
what,
hit that
man? You want
motherfucking
to
blunt,
fuck with
man.
him? Fuck with
Them
them
niggas
niggas do be
Yeah,
getting
I
money,
mean,
man. I'm
you
gonna
hear
fuck
that?
with him, man.
Let me hear that.
We ain't even make peace yet, bro.
Nigga, peace already made. You got that 20 bread, man. Peace made. Get your mans right, bro. I'm trying to get over
Hey,
it. You
be
still on that
easy,
fuck
cuz.
shit,
Be
man.
easy, cuz.
Get your mans right. Look right. Look right. Look right. God damn. Listen. Look, chop, official. Come on, man. Versus everybody.
Versus
My nigga
everybody,
sick
man.
got that. You get
See
on
this
that
shit
too.
good.
You know what I mean?
You want one of those, man?
None of that poo-poo shit, man.
We get one of those too.
Uh-huh.
Get one of
Hey.
these.
Fuck with me. You got my jack. I don't know how the hell you got it, nigga.
Let go, y'all.
You got my
Oh,
jack
shit.
now.
Damn, son, the fat hood. Check like your hood.
Like yours.
You know how it is, nigga. We come from the sandbox, nigga.
Man, I know we got
You know
that
how
come from the
nigga, you took
motherfucking
everything I
sandbox.
had left.
Hey,
nigga.
you should have let me hold that shit.
That's
You
you
charged
hold
me.
it,
No,
nigga.
I fucked up.
Me,
You
nigga, I've been looking out ever
got
since,
fucked up.
nigga.
You gonna charge me,
Man,
nigga.
closed mouth don't
This
get
Wayne,
fed,
nigga, you
cuz,
already know how to
man.
fuck around with me, man.
Closed mouth don't
You
get
on
fed,
now,
man.
though, nigga.
But
You in
hey,
there. You
we
in
gonna
there
get
now,
this
nigga.
money, man.
You in there,
Yeah.
though. That's all it is count.
We gonna
Real.
get this money, man.
I'm gonna show you how I ain't playing, right?
Alright. Don't let me
I
have to
got
pop
niggas-
your ass again,
Man,
nigga.
look, man, I know you shot me, bro. You got that shit. You got your truck back. You did all that shit. You did what you supposed to do,
Speaking
my
of
nigga.
that,
That's why I
nigga,
came to put you on with my motherfucking team, because you stand up. You bring your little mans here with me to run the fuck up on me, goddamn.
right,
He
nigga.
got a little
You see
army
what he
shit
got
on and
on,
shit
man?
like he about it. It's all right. You know what I mean? Now I'm gonna make sure y'all niggas get a whole lot of paper. You know what I mean? I'm gonna prove it to you right now. You call a nigga right now. Tell the nigga bring these 3 bricks he got. When he bring it to me, y'all 2 niggas run up, rob both of us. And make sure y'all give me the exact amount of money back. Make sure you give my motherfucking pistol back, cause y'all niggas ain't pat me the fuck down. You know what I mean?
Nigga, I know this ain't another one of your goddamn gimmicks, goddamn. You just
Got
got
that,
me, goddamn, like 2 weeks ago, nigga.
Hey, my nigga, you just gave me 20,000, bro. I'm shot, bro. If it was a game, I'd have shot both of y'all that grab his bread. Now let's ride this nigga. We gonna go to Portsmouth and put y'all niggas on the other
your
shit.
in your
Know
pocket,
what I
man,
mean?
right here.
Hey.
You wanna shot nothing.
Hey, yeah.
We gonna get this bread, man. Just holler at me.
I'm gonna call
This
this
nigga come around this corner,
I'm
man.
gonna call y'all niggas going to hallway, going to cut it something. I'm gonna call the nigga cause he ain't fought.
What, you about to do it now?
Yeah, right now I'm showing you I ain't playing right now. I'm calling nigga right now and tell the nigga
I
pull
got
the
something
fuck
else
up.
for this.
You know what I mean? Pull that car out of here, get that shit out of the goddamn way. Noopanews, nigga. Bad news, nigga. Damn, boy, it started snowing out this bitch. I got to get it in the goddamn, you know? Fuck.
Yo, gotta grind to get it or you bound to starve. Punch somebody clock unless you down to rob. Some people only tough when they around the mob. All the time he put in.
Yo, it's good, man. You got a big break.
Man, these streets ain't where it's at. I swear the game dead. You can work in fast food and get the same bread. It's that younger on the
I need all three of them, so I got all the bread for you right now. So y'all got how to fight, man. I got it, bro, right now. Three of them talking.
Tell you gotta aim big. They catch you
I'm
looking up till you can have that same gig. We got a different story, but been through the same shit. Like on that grind, 3-4 days with the same fit. I face some obstacles in life, but I ain't quit. Since I'm a fella, these jobs they say I can't get. I play the lottery, sometimes I just can't hit. But I bet you never hear a nigga say I can't spit.
Gotta grind to get it, it's a lot of work. I've been feeling down lately, but some got it worse. I know that candy would've hit them, but they got them first. My whip might not be what I want, but it's not a hearse. I thank God for my freedom, see them seasons change. My life's so real to catch a glimpse, you'll have to freeze a frame. Cold night, stomach hurting, that's that freezer pain. I needed food, this motherfucker said he needed change. Trying to weather through this storm, but it lead to rain. So I got a raincoat and hustled off that cane smoke. Never try to judge me, you were sinking in that same boat. And I never jump shit, never ever once snitch. Always wore my shoulders like regardless
got
what
that
I'm
right,
going
you ain't stopping shit though, nigga. You don't have to get to it.
You gotta watch your
Up
dogs.
on this bitch and get up out that snow, man. Get this shit out. That's all that too, man. That shit all there, boy. Go ahead and count it up. Do what you gotta do, man.
So I got the bread, nigga. Don't even worry about it, nigga. Don't even worry about it.
I know who I am, man.
Damn, man, you know them niggas fast.
Hell nah. What the fuck them niggas is? They dead though. On God.
Hey. Gotta get them. Gotta get them. Hey. You hear something, hit my phone, man.
Man, them niggas dead, bro. On site. I got you. That's how we doing it, nigga. All year, nigga. That's how we getting it, nigga. All year, just like that. Motherfucking people ride past. Y'all late, nigga. Y'all gonna be late like that all year. We went.
Well, you never know what's going to happen on the play. Yes, there was pressure. Good call made by Bob Sutton to bring that blitz. But Brandon Block, he's going to get that ball to the receiver. He has some space out there. Maybe he picks up the first down running.
Sanchez has his fifth on his average 48 yards.
What? What we doing, man? I'm sick, nigga, man. I'm trying to lay low cold real quick. Know how that go. I got some more niggas about to pull up too, man. You feel me?
What the fuck Sleazy at?
Sleazy. I don't even know. I talked to him, girl. I forgot what he said, though.
You like chop, you know?
Chop, you know, I didn't do, you know, under that radar. But I I got some more niggas put up, man. You know
That's wrong to pick with you too, man. I feel like y'all left me in the blind about some shit, man.
About what?
Sleazy hit me about it. He didn't want to talk over the phone. But he said something about y'all got some, y'all about to do some business with these across the water, man. Some course business.
Man, that's what I'm about to tell you. The nigga who whip I told you shit.
I mean, just mad for like,
man, I've been knowing this nigga, right? But you know, the nigga, I told him I come home, I didn't look out. He wanted to sell the shit to me instead of running shit to me, so I robbed him. Same nigga that shot me out to the truck and shit. But now look, the nigga wanna be.
I don't know, he really wanna fuck with the niggas, man.
Man, look, the nigga about that, bro. He gonna get chilled, man. That's been good, I'm telling you.
How long you known this nigga, bro?
Man, for a long time, bro. Long time. Like, I could consider that nigga A1 since day one. I should have never. Yeah, I was on one. I felt some type of way about the bullshit.
Hey, man, you did heads over, you start feeling some type of way about me, my nigga.
Nah, man.
You right here jamming day ones and shit.
We on the same squad, man. That nigga, I went to school with him, grew up with him, but he went on my team. You know what I mean? So he's kind of like a day one, but he ain't. That's why I felt some type of way, because he security with him like a day one. Nigga been knowing me since elementary school. We might not be on the same team and shit, nigga. I watch your ass go the same goddamn bus I got on.
So you want to kick it up with you, kicked it with the nigga?
Yeah, I shot a little with the nigga, bring me goddamn. I get the bread back. All that shit, man. They about to come. I'm about to.
You get all the bread back?
Man, look, I got the bread. I'm about to introduce him to the team, man. He got his shit back, everything cool. I'm not one of his men. Everything
sound like nigga, some thorough nigga. I'm just saying.
I'm about to take the
you
niggas.
trust a nigga? I ain't no saying. I ain't got no trust these niggas.
I got some niggas in Portsmouth, right? My niggas in Portsmouth, they winning over there, so I'm gonna take you over there, take the whole team over there. I'm gonna take you niggas over there. I know they hot over here, so
I ain't gonna front, man. Like I always been a little biased about Portsmouth, man. Some old shit. Ain't nobody get into the details and shit. So like,
man, niggas for the same.
I ain't never really gave niggas no chance. You know what I'm saying? I really did no business with niggas.
But right now we hot, bro. So you really ain't got no choice.
Y'all motherfuckers hot.
Yeah, but as long as we hot, how you gonna eat?
Yeah, man. Let's move as hell, man.
Good. I told you I had it.
Let's stop, man. Yeah, man.
A lot of good shit about yourself.
Hey, mean leg shot. I'm accurate with it sometimes, nigga. Sometimes I just shoot to be shooting. Man.
I told you I would. I had it.
Hey, don't say that shit consistent. We good, my nigga.
Got my goddamn money, man. Let me hit the block.
Shit, nigga.
Stay on that shit. Let me hit the block, nigga.
You see that bag, my nigga. I already know, man. Damn, boy. I'm starting not to get back, bro. Fuck it.
Yeah, I still got blood on that goddamn money, nigga.
We want some new shit, man.
I do it.
There you go. That's all there, my nigga.
Yeah, I need all that, my nigga. That's what's up, man.
That's all there.
Put you on that one, man.
Welcome to y'all niggas to the family, man.
These bricks in here, I'm gonna
let you. That was a loyalty test, right?
Set that out, yeah.
Just pass the loyalty test. Real shit, my nigga. Welcome to the family.
It's fucked up how it went down. How it all started.
My niggas plenty more where they came from.
Word. I'm feeling them goddamn going shirts and them hoodies, man. I swear everybody told my niggas like everybody got one. Right. Oh, word?
Hold that joint out right quick, man. So I goddamn put this on right there. Hold that joint out.
Welcome to the family, nigga.
Did this good.
Noopanews versus everybody.
That's what we do, man. That's what we do.
Welcome to the family, man. Welcome aboard, man.
Shit. That's how we gonna do this shit, yo. Get my nigga to take y'all to meet the Portsmouth side of the family tonight. We about to goddamn we about to franchise with this shit, my nigga. And then from there, we gonna move out north. Goddamn, you know what I'm saying? With the brothers niggas out there too.
Hey, we've been trying to get like this for a minute, man. Take the shit to be a fucked up situation to get there.
Hey, y'all niggas on the winning team, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Welcome to the family.
Damn right. Damn right. I'm about to roll this blue, smoke this blue. What's up, man? You got some awesome shit going on. What you talking about?
This the brains, everything right here. I'm running Portsmouth, meet them niggas, they got going on.
I'm pretty sure there's a lot of money to be made over there for you. Put on to a lot of shit, man. I don't drink.
Franchise was these niggas' idea, but I'm feeling it. You know what I'm saying? Cause there's plenty of money in the 75 side, my nigga. And don't stop there. Once we feel like we conquered this shit here, nigga, we got them going from state to state with it. We fucking with real niggas all over the world. We taking over while we doing it.
You know, shit, I'm like, goddamn, I like that shit. I like the sound of that, goddamn.
You got plenty clubs. You got plenty artillery. You go out this bitch and make plenty money.
It's about the money. That's all it's about, man. Good business, good money, man. This nigga here, man. I fuck with this nigga right here, man. So we had my day one right here. So we had to go the bad way, you know.
Be like that sometimes.
I see, nigga.
A lot of ways, nigga.
Fuck what it's worth, man. Sometimes it's worth it.
Right, though. Shit, though. A little bit of communication. Probably would have saved you a leg shot.
Hey, it would have saved a lot, my nigga. You just had to tell me how you felt, my nigga. Like, I understand now.
Hey, look, I feel like my leg is still on 100%. Man, let's change the goddamn subject.
That's because I hit you with a little 32. That's all that was, nigga. Look, I ain't hit you with that goddamn ball. That cannon I got. But hey, look, all that put to the side, my nigga. Let's get this money, my nigga. For real.
That's what I like to hear, man.
Y'all playing football like that. Let's get this money, my nigga.
Goddamn way I don't like to touch
money, my nigga.
With it.
For real.
Hey, you gonna take y'all to see the Portland niggas tonight. I'm gonna fall back on this trip. We already got some shit set up for the niggas tomorrow. We got to go leave with them on some money shit. So we'll get y'all niggas introduced to the niggas tonight. We'll go from there, man.
Shit, all the niggas all about business, man. So I got 30 shots for anybody right now.
Keep your motherfucking guns cool when you come to me. I'm just trying to show your ass that I'm real, nigga.
We got you counting the money and shit, nigga.
Everybody gonna eat,
in your pocket. Like, this ain't nothing, nigga.
Everybody there? That's the next thing. Everybody gonna eat.
Hey, look, check this out. This
ain't gonna about more guns.
Check that. These guns right there.
I like your style already, boy. I like your style already. That's my type of nigga right there, boy. I like your style already.
I told you,
like, look, man, like, my day one, my nigga, man.
Let me see that.
Rolling over in and Norfolk shit, so you know what I'm saying? When we get everything set up with Boston, man, you jump on that Norfolk bandwagon, man.
That's all I understand. Shit, your payday.
Man, ain't shit, nigga. You know what I'm about to do with that?
Fuck with us.
Sexy, boy.
Payday, it'll be 3 or 4 of these days, my nigga.
3 or 4, nigga? I need 10.
Nigga, you got over 10 in your hand right now. It's about 30 of them in your hand. So times that by 10 a day, nigga. That's how we get it.
Hey, he's supposed to record that shit, man.
Look, this hey, put them on all the lists. Whatever you got, you good. Man, look, you did. They
shit real hot over here, man.
You go grab more guns?
Shit real hot over here. Man. So I got my postal niggas, they got to put us on the list. They got clubs that we're going to be copping from. We keep shit in motion over here under the radar. But we ready to rob the whole motherfucking Portsmouth. And when we done robbing Portsmouth, these niggas gonna be the king of Christmas shit. You know what I mean? Right. So
you gonna stop in that Portland?
Did it again, boy?
7 cities.
We're stopping at Richmond, as far as VA. You know what I'm saying? We're stopping at Richmond.
We're going in the circle.
Nah, fuck that. We stopping when we 6 feet.
Stopping when we 6 feet. I like that. I like that. You ain't gotta say no more.
That's for what it's worth around here, nigga. It ain't too much worth shit around here. I ain't gonna buy that one here.
Man, shit look good on you, boy.
Damn right. Yeah, Coach losing, man. 7-24, man.
I had this motherfucker play waiting on me for like 35 minutes. And they spent a nice piece of change, right? Tomorrow, we on for the Portland shit.
Yep, already. Be safe, brother.
Once again, y'all niggas welcome to the family, man.
Appreciate it, man.
So y'all niggas look green, we do my niggas like this, we go from the left to the right like this, right? Get this motherfucking money, man.
Hey, look, I think I'm about to fill up out of here too, man. But this nigga gonna just we about to go like this. I know we about to go, hey. We about to get up out of here too, man. I'm like, we out for business, man. Shit, nigga, let me hit this jack again. He can hide that. He can hide that.
Say, man.
He can hide that. Yeah, man, y'all. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here, man. Hey, look, man. I'm here too, like, look. Oh, alright, y'all can get back with you, man. I'm gonna get y'all tomorrow too, man. Yeah, I'm probably just going to sure me up on that jump rush.
Waiting seconds.
Yes.
Third quarter.
I need you safe, right? Niggas better be ready too, bro. I'm smoking both of them. Straight up. What's your question?
Oh, for you, man. Ain't a lot of noise out here, boy. Fuck you is, nigga. Fuck is you, nigga. What's up? I don't mind give a fuck about all that shit. You don't give a fuck about none of that shit, nigga. I don't give a fuck about that shit, boy. Fuck wrong with you, nigga. I got supposed to give a fuck about that. I'm still right here, nigga. Get your ass.
Out of town, please, yo.
Out of town, bro. Yo, fellas. Yo. Y'all expecting somebody, man? Some niggas is walking up to the crib, man.
No.
Man. Yeah, I mean, we got damn.
Yo, hold on, fuck down this shit, man. Yo, wait, man. I don't give a fuck. What's up, yo? Hey, chill, my people, man. Put them shit down, man. Put some shit in my niggas, Noopanews, nigga. Chill, big dog. Chill, man. Tell niggas, man, you ain't tell them goddamn dogs, man. You tell them niggas coming, man. Chill out, man. Relax, man. Tell them put that goddamn gun away, man. Tell them that nigga put that shit away.
Everything good, bro. Good, man. Chill out, man. My people, man.
I didn't put that shit away, man. I couldn't do that, man.
That's what's up. Let me show you what's up in here, bro.
Come on, man. Let's do this shit, man. What it do, man? What's good? What's good? What's good? Pistol motherfucking city, man. You know what it is, man. What's up with city, man? Yeah, what it do? Hey, look, man. We real hot over there in this news right now. We got a lot of shit going on, man. But we getting to it over there. Right now, we need to come over here and show love to Pistol City, man. You know what I mean? We can get some shit from y'all get some shit from us. We're gonna put y'all on to some moves we can't touch. Y'all put us on to some shit, man. You know, goddamn go on and on with that shit. For real, like, get to it, man. Real talk, like I like that goddamn shit y'all just did at the door. Stand up niggas, you know what I mean? I like that shit, man. Everybody drop. Stand up niggas, I like that shit, man. We got a lot of shit going on. Look, check this out, though. Hey, look, check this out, bro. We real hot over there right now, though, man. I'm talking about like the feds on niggas getting shot, bodies, like we hot. So we gonna have to come over here to Pistol City and lay low and do some of y'all dirty work and send y'all niggas on our side do our dirty work. But like I said, like we got some plugs to work with that y'all gonna eat good off of. But the rest of them niggas, we done already got all them niggas and everything. So we hot like that. So I know y'all niggas hot like that. So you know, y'all niggas been A1 since day one with me. So, you know, I'm bringing my niggas to meet y'all niggas. And we gonna get to it like that, straight like that. You heard?
Look. I know y'all talking about them people though. With this shit right here, bro, you ain't gotta worry about getting too hot, bro. You know what I'm saying? This shit ease everything, bro. You know what I mean? Like, that drop.
That's right.
I see, man. Shit, earrings, all that shit. I'm trying to eat too.
This shit's slight, bro.
We hot, though. You know what I mean?
Y'all ain't got word. We gonna show y'all how to clean that shit up. I know y'all got some money for all that hot shit, though. I know y'all ain't running this crazy.
Yeah, niggas straight, man. Niggas straight. That's why we coming over here with y'all. It's time to learn, see what y'all got, how to clean the bread. Then we're gonna step out there and finish touching the rest of these niggas we can't touch through y'all. Look. At the end of the city, at the end of the day, Pistol City gonna be yours. Bad News, Noopanews gonna be ours. You know what I mean? That's all it is to it. We gonna run around here with y'all. We gonna run around here for y'all, and we gonna shut shit down. Respect. So you know what I mean? Drop. You know how everybody drop. Everybody bullshit too. Man, I don't give a fuck. We gonna get everybody everything. I'm gonna take you to the couch. I'm gonna bring it back to you, my
nigga. Y'all put us on, we gonna put y'all on, man.
Yeah, real.
Respect, man. Bullshit, man, dog. You know it?
Hang up. I'll cut that shit. Yeah, real love.
Gonna link up, man.
There's some of my niggas right here. Money, man. Y'all got a lot more of my niggas, man.
Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. Hey, I wouldn't leave this with y'all, but we gotta take this. You know?
That's all good. This motherfucker hot, nigga. Boy, I gotta get a spot in this, though. Nah, I mean,
look, be safe, man.
Nah, I was gonna pick it with y'all for a second, but you know what I mean? We're gonna chop it up some more. You know?
Yeah, they gonna be here for a while.
Yeah, we're gonna chop it up big time, man, because we got some major shit going on, so we're gonna go ahead and goddamn sit down, blow some, drink some.
We already got shit in work.
Let's get comfortable.
Get comfortable, bro.
And then goddamn, we're gonna do this.
Let's do it.
Yo. Alright, where you at? Alright, I'm trying to get it for, let me get it for 15.6, man. Alright, cool. You know I'm at same spot, same place. Yeah, same spot, same place. 15? Alright. Yeah. 15 minutes.
Pull up.
Yeah, you gonna pull up in about 15 minutes. 10 minutes.
I can take him down.
Fuck with him. Then he did cross me.
Damn. You gotta let me take him down, bro. We'll be back after this. Like, this will be our big break. Like, we need this one. This will be our big break, bro. Trust me. I got you. We gonna get it. If he got it, we gonna get it. Trust me.
Alright.
And I got you. I got you half on everything. You know I play fair, cuz I need you.
Right.
Just got out. I need you.
I feel you, I got you.
Alright. Say no more. Call it. Say no more.
15 minutes. 2 minutes.
You already know, bro. There's plenty of money out here, dog. You know what I mean? You get your hands a little dirty, but stay clean out here. You be good. We gonna show you how to do it, though.
I got a for sure lit right now, bro. Niggas around the street getting it, dog. Trap booming all night, dog. Shit never closed, all night,
bro. Never sound one of them same niggas, man.
Man, them same niggas, dog. Shit needs got that shit booming around there.
You probably talk about them niggas on Effingham. They're big time nigga though. That big money, like $250,000 type money.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I know what you talking about. Yeah, man, fuck them niggas, man. Y'all worry about the wrong things, dog. We gonna get our money, dog. We gonna keep this shit grinding, bro. You know what I'm saying? If we run low, then, you know what I mean, stick 'em. But right now, we up, bro. Keep this shit going.
Yeah, but how many niggas y'all got out here in the city that's really up? Like, we not coming down here for nothing small. At the end of the day, we trying to make sure y'all niggas the ones that's up. So everybody's up now going to fuck down. Soon these Noopanews run up on them. Yeah.
You know, these niggas ain't talking about no petty licks, though. You know what I'm saying? Like, if they talking about the lick, bro, it gotta be goddamn kid straight licks. You know what I mean?
The city, though?
You said what?
Y'all got enough work to keep me busy, nigga?
Yeah, you know what I mean? If you run out, you get bored. You know what I mean? You got your toys, right, nigga. You got
I'm ready to go to work now.
Huh?
I'm ready to go to work now.
Because the city, baby, it's different over here, baby.
That's what I'm saying. Y'all niggas want to talk
Bucket. We gonna hit the lick tomorrow. We gonna hit the lick tomorrow. Fuck it.
I'm talking about, man. But look, though, is the next one lined up after that tomorrow?
Let's see what you gonna do. Let's see what you do tomorrow. Let's see what you do tomorrow. You got your soldiers.
One step at a time, baby. One step at a time.
We running through them, man. We home.
I mean,
I'm gonna put y'all niggas on the top.
The plan is for real. Like, we ain't got time to really be pushing those dope. Like, we hot. So everything we do, we gotta get it in large amounts.
Bro. You know what I'm saying? Out here, they dope.
Out here, we can on that side, we hot.
I know some shit over here.
We get ready to shut the whole city down over here, and y'all niggas gonna be on top.
We can hit a couple shit though.
So we need to keep busy.
I think we can fuck with Rocco on that one though. We can hit a couple.
We definitely gonna keep you busy, big dog. You and all your homies.
Man, y'all niggas bullshit, man. I'm trying to shoot something right now.
Yeah, I like that nigga right there, man, for sure.
We definitely got something lined up for you though, for sure. Something nice and sweet. Definitely, for sure. We gonna see what you about.
Yeah, nigga, I like that, nigga. Shit, long as that shit 250 or better, I'm good. For real.
Word.
We need that tonight, man. I seen some niggas goddamn drive around fly early, man.
Yeah, I mean, pull up in the demon
I
of
say
God.
Pistol City, nigga, I got my pistol. And they city. You feel me?
Alright, that's what's up. We can put that together, we can do it. So I'll set that up.
For sure. Got that shit lined up for tomorrow, for sure.
Hey, look, fellas, man, I'm tired. I need to go wash my ass, man. We about to get up out of here. Holla at y'all Pistol City niggas, man. Y'all niggas, one of those niggas. Appreciate the love.
I got something.
Be safe out boys, man.
That's right.
I like that bees, man. You already know, man.
Be safe out there. Be safe out there.
Alright, big homie, be safe out there now.
Got that, boy.
Yeah, I'm gonna get y'all stuff together, man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Check this out, look. Same, man. A1 day one, nigga. Y'all already know how we go.
I mean, we good.
How that? You feel me? My nigga, hold that for me. Y'all boys be safe, man.
You already know. Hey, baby.
Yo, I'm gonna keep it all the way to stack, for real. Y'all trust these niggas, man? These Noopanews niggas, man?
I was gonna say the same thing to y'all niggas, man. You know what I mean?
I mean, I know Big Wayne. I know Big Wayne from Cuzzle, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know, man. I don't know, for real.
Yeah, you know that's my nigga, dog. A1 day one, man. He'll bust a nigga for me just like any of y'all bust a nigga for me, dog. You know what I mean?
A1 day one, nigga. Nigga, we A1 day one, cuz. We the Cuzzos, yo.
Yeah, we the A1 day one niggas, man. We don't know them niggas like that, B. You know them niggas. You fuck with them niggas, man. So what you think?
Man, these niggas good, dog. I told y'all, man. This nigga bust a nigga for me just like y'all would, dog. Y'all ain't gotta question that, man. Niggas good.
Yeah, man, them niggas good. We gonna give them a run, though. We gonna see what they talking about tomorrow, man. We gonna see what them niggas talking about, man. They good.
I know y'all done heard of us. Niggas wanna murder us. Baby mama serving us. Connects don't be serving us. Cause they heard we robbed a lot and we shoot at niggas. Ammo? Hell no, you don't got no bullets, nigga. You ain't heard this a movement, we the shooters, nigga. And you ain't rapping on our stage, you gotta move it, nigga. You ain't stupid, I knock off the goofy, nigga. 17 circle to the pop, we the shooters, nigga.
I'm all about the cash, so I style when I flash. Paper tags on the Jag, equipped with the format. I touch a nigga ass and leave his brains on the dash. Then skirt off real fast, blowing blunts and grass. A monster's what you call it, youngin' from out the project starving. Got the Glock in a dump it, if you started, I suggest you stop it. The niggas front like they the hardest, but give a couple names when they hit with the charges. We gon' dump regardless. If they really want the problem, my flows paint bitches on some hot shit. Was introduced to the game on some smart shit.
In the back. Come on, bro.
It's the shooters that we know.
You got. Come on, I got you.
We get it poppin' in this bitch, you don't want it trick. So speak on one-eye names, nigga, you think it's a game. Slugs and bang to the pistols and train.
hit frames, amber lamps, have to scoop your remains. You don't think this shit hot until your ass get flamed. I got a nine that looks plain, knock the wheels off your brain. With trash tracks, I sit back and watch young Rome bang. I'm posted up, slanging coke, I'm probably serving your folks.
It's 15, right?
Talking joke until your ass get broke. I'm running with the gangsters, killing niggas and hustlers. In the box, they shake you. On the block, they punch you.
Way right.
Easy got the water, I blow smoke like a muffler.
See what it look like.
You running for undercovers.
Let me get that. You got that shit, bro? Yeah, you got it. Fuck out of here. Fuck out the car. Fuck out. Who the fuck is you?
We got Rubens, niggas strap like sandals. Block lover, be pumping, stop fronting, short chain. Block hugger, I be dumping, they be hitting from long range. Up and coming in the game, they still frame you came. Virginia rattle all the time, all my niggas untamed. Fuck hot, we on fire, plus the streets on flames. You need a little ass juice for your weak ass aim. Say my name out your mouth and get your sweet ass bang. Yeah, nigga, don't get your bitch ass hit. I know y'all done heard of us. Niggas wanna live us. Baby, I'm serving us. That's serving us. Cause they heard we robbing like baby shit that
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Shit, man. I ain't know you was goddamn up here, man. So, you know, I booked out a room too, but I got, it brings the bread for Chops, man. Chops got that go act like he want to come up, man. So I said, I'm gonna go ahead and pay that for you, man. It's all there, though. You know, I ain't know that was jumping off like that, but
yeah, appreciate that.
You know, I get you straight though, man. You know what the hell he got going on, man. Yeah. I don't know, man.
Yeah, man, he be slacking, man. I can't even fuck with him no more, man.
Yeah, man, I don't even fuck with that nigga on that level, you know.
Yeah.
That niggas, I don't know what the hell, man. He told me, you know what I'm saying? I told him I'm gonna holler at you.
Yeah, I appreciate that shit, bro.
The official, man. Official told me to make sure I handle that shit.
Yeah, appreciate that shit, man.
So that, man.
Chop cut off, man. You can't even do that.
Yeah, man. You know, you fuck around, end up, man. You know, you already know.
Yeah, man.
So, you know,
niggas out here on the hunt for him, man. He don't even know.
Yeah, that's why I went to go ahead and pay it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Just go ahead, because I already know how Buck get down, so I ain't even got time, you know. Shot stupid, you know what I mean? Yeah. You gotta pay up, man, I know you want it back just like, you know what I'm saying, you gave it, you know? So, but shit, you already know, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Like, hey, what's up, man? I ain't even know that was you, man. Hey, you could have got me, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, chillin', man, cool, man. Yeah, I know you laid back, man, cool, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Alright, man. So shit, I'll call you or something else. Shit.
Shit, Stones. Now I've been looking for your ass. Finally caught up with you. Yeah, I'm Officer Davis, dog.
Officer Davis?
Yeah, I knew your brother. Oh, ho. Before you get it fucked up, man, it ain't what you think it is. Man, your brother got a lot of fucking money out here in these streets.
Look, man, my fucking twin ain't no snitch, baby.
Nah, he ain't no snitch. He got a lot of money. I helped him get a lot of fucking money. I hit his back in a lot of shit. I know who killed him, by the way. We're gonna do a lot of business together too, cause we're gonna get them motherfuckers back. The same motherfuckers. We after the same motherfuckers.
You're telling me some good shit, man. That's what I'm trying to hear, yo.
For sure.
We're gonna do this, yo.
I don't know. Maybe later on we can make some money together too.
First things first.
Yeah, we're gonna handle this beef. I'm gonna link up with you though. I don't know how I'm gonna get in contact with you. How do I link up with you?
Just be out here, B. I'll see you.
Alright. Well, Stones. Finally, nice to see you. I can put a face to the picture of the myth of the man, yeah?
Yeah, it sounds good.
Yeah. I can see why everybody get y'all fucked up. Y'all identical. We gonna link though. Get this motherfucking beef handled. The way I was at the crime scene when your brother died, man. Real fucked up. Yeah.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, man. You'll be able to put shit together, I'm pretty sure, man. You the streets talk. Yeah. You'll see that I ain't lying. Ask around, man. People tell you about me, Officer Davis. You ain't gonna hear no pretty good stories about me, though. Alright, we gonna link stones.
Yo, it's a motherfucking public service announcement. The motherfucking music locally is getting weaker and fucking weaker. It's time niggas step they motherfucking bars up. So I brought some real niggas in the motherfucking building with me. My nigga J-Rock got something on this motherfucking mind, my nigga.
And I don't really care about them drugs you sold or them heads that you blowed off. Real G's be discreet, cause we ain't gotta show off. Niggas talk street shit and don't nobody know y'all and never heard of you busting your guns, so I expose y'all. Don't be surprised when a real nigga approach y'all and shove a 40 cal in your face. Give you a nose job, a wild pit, another leash. I done broke off, feeling like I got a hatred for lame niggas. I smoke y'all. I'm the realest, I can't deny that shit. Most niggas out here get on beats and they lie that shit. I got a cocaine flow, I supply that shit. And every 1st and 15th niggas buy that shit. I'm ready for combat, homie, just try that shit. Same place you try that at, you die at, bitch. From a long squad of them niggas who ride that shit. Stay in your lane, this the law, bad that shit. In that bar y'all see me with, that's my Pyrex bitch. And we ain't gotta use a scale when we get out of that shit. Got my own bread, nigga, I don't rely on shit. That bullshit, that's for the birds, they can have that shit.
I just jumped in the whip with J-Rock and Skeet. My location stay on in case I'm on your street. Ran off on the plug and he came in the week. The reason I don't respect niggas cause they background weak. It's Sleazy, you gotta show me, cause talking is cheap. When the feds bring that water, they gon' find that leak. If my squad snatch your bitch, you can't find that freak. They gon' have to call forensics, figure out by the teeth. I can either put you on or take you off your feet. And my world is a little short, but the pain get deep. Everybody got a plan till they go get reached. Viewing your people shy to be a lesson to see. Put the pistol to your stomach, give you something to eat. So what, my niggas guilty, I like to see them all free. Take the dice, the bank plus the profit is me. All that loud shit'll get you pistol whipped to sleep.
All I need is a stray to cause your life to have a delay. If we beef and restraining orders couldn't keep me away, I'll put a price over your head when it's cheaper to spray. And they ain't heard no rumors about me, so believe what they say. Life can be tricky to see how situations get sticky. Waking up fucked up like someone slipped you a Mickey. I used to go to work strapped with the guy in my dickies. Did it so often to the point that I forgot it was with me. I come from a whole different world and Jasmine guys, we blast the guys and leave their body parts past the rise. Prefer the bare face, but I done wore a mask at times. Cause it really don't make a difference when it's casket time. And knowing when the foe never made a man lesser. Don't fuck with what I own, catch a Willie Manchester. It don't matter if you're from South Central or Lancaster. I ain't never been a bitch, I put that on my ancestors.
Yeah, I'ma keep it playing real with y'all niggas, man. Y'all niggas don't step y'all shit up. We just might take bucket and don't let y'all niggas eat it up. And I heard all that shit y'all was doing while I was gone. Truth of the matter is, never was. I was just sitting back and listening, giving y'all a chance to be something, you know? But now y'all done pissed me the fuck off. Skeet, Sleazy, yeah.